You don't like them?
No, don't like them.
All right, what's up, guys? We're down here working on 2020 F250. This video is we're going to be mounting up these tires here. What size is this? 37 1350 R18 Middo Mud Grappler. So these are the aggressive, loud, ugly tires that JB does not like.
Not even a little bit.
And what they are going on is the Method. These are the Method MR305NV. Now this is an 18x9 with a -12 offset. So it's kind of hard to catch on camera, but there is a slight bit of concave to the wheel to give it a little bit of an aggressive stance compared to a positive offset or some kind of offset where it will be keeping them under the truck. But that's what we're doing today. Mounting and balancing 37 1350 onto the Methods.
Sick, right?
What'd you get something in your mouth?
Oh, stuff.
Last one, what's it calling for? Oh!
Best one yet.
175 on this Gimundo tire. And they're used. There's a couple thousand miles on them. Balancing out like a boss, that's great. This one might be the, I think this one's gonna be the front driver's side.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Nice. Last tire.
I appreciate it, dude.
Alrighty, sir. 37 1350s balanced and mounted perfectly. What's the new name? Read it off.
Pittsburgh Mobile Tire Shop, 412-346-6794 or pghmobiletires.com.
Plugged it. Great, dude. Hey.
I appreciate it, brother.
Thank you, sir. I've had these things sitting around for quite some time, and now they're ready to go on something. What are they going on? Black truck, blue truck? We got wheels and tires kind of everywhere in here. But all right, guys, quick story time. I literally have always wanted to start a mobile tire business. I think it's such a cool business. So for example, like for us here at the shop, we don't have a tire machine or a balancer or anything like that here at the facility. So call the mobile tire guy, he comes right up, pulls right out front, right outside the garage door, and mounts and balances all our tires. It's very convenient. I never have to worry about doing it. I don't have to have someone else here doing it. He takes care of it, very professional. So I've always been intrigued by that business, which is a cool business. So shout out Pittsburgh Mobile Tire. But all right, guys, if you made it this far, you're freaking awesome. Thank you so much for sticking with us. We're on velocity. Tires are ready to roll. Stay tuned for the next video because we're continuing the work. We're working, we're down here, we're working on it. We're busting knuckles, wrenching. But all right, that's it. I'll see you next one. Peace. It's like a circus act out here.
Now see if you can walk on it.
Oh. Got it. Dumpster tire.